The upper 10 impressions in the fingerprint card are taken individually. These are referred to as A. Rolled impression, B. Plain impression, C. Slap impression, D. Flat impression. Answer: A. Rolled impression. There are 5 types of pattern in the whorl family. A. True, B. False, C. Partially true, D. Partially false. Answer: B. False. It is that part of a loop or whorl in which the core and delta appear, which are the concern in the classification process. A. Type lines, B. Pattern area, C. Bifurcation, D. Delta. Answer: B. Pattern area. The symbol for accidental whorl is A. Z, B. X, C. D, D. C. Answer: B. X. The science of palm print identification. A. Dactyloscopy, B. Dactylography, C. Chiroscopy, D. Podoscopy. Answer: C. Chiroscopy. The outer terminus in the pattern area is called A. Delta, B. Core, C. Bifurcation, D. Ridges. Answer: A. Delta. The following are families of fingerprint pattern except A. Whorl, B. Loop, C. Arc, D. Accidental. Answer: D. Accidental. These are raised strips of the skin on the inside of the end joint of fingers and thumbs by which fingerprints are made. A. Papillary ridges, B. Friction ridges, C. Epidermal ridges, D. All of these. Answer: D. All of these. There are blank families of fingerprint patterns. A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 8. Answer: B. 3. Damage to the dermis will not result in permanent ridge destruction. A. True, B. False, C. Possibly true, D. Possibly false. Answer: B. False.